Did you know you're overpaying for your favorite streaming services like YouTube Premium, Spotify, or even NordVPN?
Wait, what do you mean?
Yes, you heard it right. How do I know this, and why am I saying this? Well, because I was doing the exact same thing a few months ago, until I discovered during my research a method that nobody seems to be talking about, but that I personally used to get YouTube Premium, Spotify Premium, and even NordVPN for almost free. And I'm not even kidding, so I thought, why not share it on YouTube? There are probably people out there who will find this helpful, so here it is. The first step is to hop into the description of this video to click the first link you'll see there. And before jumping to the comments to say something, let me just tell you, I have no partnership with this platform. It just so happens that I used it, it worked, and that's why I'm sharing it. Also, I'll be honest with you, the link is an affiliate link, so yes, it benefits me. But you'll be satisfied too. It's a win-win situation. Once you land on the page, you'll see a bunch of services they offer, including Spotify Premium, YouTube Premium, and some other interesting stuff. Just pick the one you want and click on View Details. From there, choose the duration of your subscription based on your needs. But I personally recommend going for the maximum option so you don't have to worry about renewing later. Now comes the juicy part. Not only are you getting this at a ridiculously low price, but you can also enter the promo code JAAKF to get an extra 10% off. Once that's done, choose your preferred payment method, finalize the payment, and you'll receive access to your account. I hope you got something valuable from this video. And for those who actually give it a try, please let us know in the comments whether it worked for you or not, even though I'm pretty confident it will. And yeah, links in the description. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.